All right. Good morning, everyone. Um, so, for those of you in the room that went last night, first of all, I hope you enjoyed the aquarium as much as I did, and just wanted to thank Michelle, Joanne, and the team. If we could give them a quick round of applause for a great evening. Um, I, I will say there were a couple of awkward moments last night. I felt very guilty about eating the shrimp in front of the penguins. And felt a little bit better about the pork belly, but there was some definite stares about why did you get that. I was waiting for them to fly over and grab a couple of the seafood at the station there, but it was fun, and I hope you got a chance to talk to some of the staff there. They had interesting fun facts. If you asked them at the bar there, they had some really cool information about the penguins, and I'm thrilled. We have had horrible weather here in New England. We've had the rainiest summer, so I am so glad we did not have that experience last night and you were able to enjoy the outside in the harbor. So I hope you had a good time. And for those of you at home, I hope you had a chance to click on the link and do the virtual tour of the New England Aquarium. It is pretty spectacular to have it right around the corner from us.